we could use debugging mode to control and check the lines single one by one to check the process. Of course, I could go to the debug, and by default it is compile normal. We have step into and step over, which this is line by line and block by block. And again, we could set the watching, which I will mention on the next video, or quick watch. And before that, you're already familiar with toggle breakpoint. For example, I want to, when reached here, see the result. You could simply click here, or right click, go to the toggle and breakpoint, or of course from toolbar, and again you could go to the debug menu and toggle, or F9. And if I run the program, it will go until reach here and see the result. And still you could continue. Now it is 2. Now it is 3. You see, it is working very well. Or of course I could go to the debug and step into, or press F8, first line. To continue, go to the debug and step over to jumping, or you could use step out to jump back, or run the cursor wherever your cursor is by clicking that. So if I set Shift F8, defining and set the values is still not assigned. Note that it is 5. This current line, it is not run yet. So allow me to bring the debug toolbar, okay, and step it here. So I could continue, okay. Now look at here, it is 5, set there, F8, F8, going one by one, J it is 1, I still here it is 5, but if I continue by pressing F8, now it is getting 5. Why it is again 5? Because we got the error. I divide by 5, it is error, so we set on error, resume next. And of course printing the values, etc. And with this method, kinda you do slow mode like actions on other programs to run one by one every single code or blocks, and controls your flow of code compiling and running.